Welcome back, history adventurers! Today we embark on a journey back in time to the fascinating world of ancient Mesopotamia, often referred to as the Cradle of Civilization. This land, situated between the powerful Tigris and Euphrates rivers, holds the title of being the birthplace of many human firsts. It's time to uncover the wonders of this ancient region. Picture a landscape abundant with fertile lands, nourished by two nurturing rivers. Over 5,000 years ago, this was the setting for the emergence of one of the first grand civilizations. Why is Mesopotamia known as the Cradle of Civilization, you ask? Well, let's delve into that. Mesopotamia was a patchwork of city-states, each functioning much like a small independent country, often vying for supremacy. Renowned names such as Ur, Babylon, and Nineveh were not merely cities but powerhouses of cultural and economic activity. Each city boasted its own ruler, its own deity, and its own lifestyle. These city-states pioneered urban planning, with streets arranged in grids and distinct districts for varying activities. One of the most significant contributions of Mesopotamia was the invention of the cuneiform script around 3200 BCE. Initially devised to keep track of trade and agriculture, this writing system evolved to record laws, myths, and literature. The Epic of Gilgamesh, one of the earliest known pieces of literature, originated right here. Imagine narratives of gods and kings, inscribed on clay tablets, that we can still decipher today. An aspect of Mesopotamian culture that is widely recognized is its system of laws, initiated by King Hammurabi of Babylon. Hammurabi's code, one of the earliest and most comprehensive written legal codes, has been preserved on a colossal stone stele. This code detailed laws on a broad spectrum, from property rights and theft to family law, setting standards for legal fairness that resonate in our modern legal systems. The Mesopotamians were also trailblazers in the field of science and innovation. They developed some of the initial mathematical systems, including the concept of zero, and made significant advancements in astronomy that would guide later civilizations for centuries. Their engineers devised complex irrigation systems, transforming barren land into fertile fields, stimulating the region's agriculture and supporting large populations. In this episode, we've explored why Mesopotamia is revered as the cradle of civilization. From revolutionary writing systems to pioneering legal codes, the innovations of this ancient land have provided the bedrock for modern society. The spirit of Mesopotamia, with its innovation and creativity, has truly shaped the trajectory of human history. Thank you for joining in the exploration of ancient Mesopotamia. What aspect of this ancient civilization amazed you the most? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts, and remember to subscribe for more captivating historical journeys. Next time, we'll delve into the world of ancient Egypt. Until then, keep the spirit of exploration alive.